Hey everyone, this is Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. I'm inside a front living floor plan, and I'm looking at our beautiful countertop in this unit. Wanted to talk a little bit. This is a solid surface countertop. It's highly heat resistant, stain resistant, easy to clean and maintain. One of the things I want to tell you about is if you do happen to get a stain like food dye or tea or coffee or fruit drinks, it can easily be removed by full strength bleach, and you want to follow that up with a general cleaner and flush it with water. Sometimes there may be a case where you put a very hot pan or maybe a cigarette burn gets on there. Really no problem with that either. It can be buffed out with an abrasive cleaner or buffed in a circular motion with a Scotch-Brite pad to remove it. Just so happens if you get a deep scratch, that can also be repaired by a professional. You'd want to hire a professional to come in and buff that out. Because it's non-porous and it doesn't have any sealant, it's sealant free, it can easily be buffed out and maintained. But it's very highly resistant to scratches and heat. It can withstand up to temperatures of 225 degrees. So this is going to really be a nice countertop for many, many years if you take care of it. It's called a High Max Surface, HI-MACS, and it's made by LG. It's just a very nice countertop. That's one of the reasons why we use it. I'm going to zoom in a little bit here so you can see more of the thickness of this countertop. It's a very thick countertop. Very nice. Hey, if you want to know more about our countertops, give us a call at 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.